How much money did I make with my 3 most viral videos on YouTube? This is a video I was not sure if it would be a good idea to create because in general I'm not a fan of showcasing my personal income, the money I earn through the different streams that I have, but I realized that many people ignore how important YouTube can be for an average creator. So my YouTube channel right now, the moment that I make this video, has 65,000 subscribers and it's probably my smallest channel. Because for the people that don't know it, my TikTok has 2.2 million followers and my Instagram 900,000. So I have a collective following of 3.5 million followers, but YouTube is the king of video and I'm about to prove it to you. So I'm gonna disclose the full number of my 3 most viral videos. I'm pretty sure it's gonna surprise you, so stay until the end. So if you're ready, I'm ready, my cat also, let's do it. So I'm gonna take you with me reviewing my YouTube Studio, which is the YouTube app that you should be studying very, very well if you want to succeed on YouTube. It gives you the opportunity to understand your analytics and why the videos that performed well, videos that your audience is watching right now and you should be creating also, and of course, the money that you make after you hit your first 1,000 subscribers and 4 hours of watch time, which is the minimum YouTube eligibility to monetize your channel. So I'm gonna show you exactly the money that I made from my 3 most viral videos, and I will give you also some very important tips so you can start earning also. So as you see, this is my channel, this is my analytics dashboard, YouTube Studio. Everybody has access on that from your mobile and your dashboard on your PC. We're gonna go here that says content and we're gonna check my top 3 viral videos on my channel. So if I sort by views, you're gonna see that those 3 are my most viral videos published within 2023 and 2024. So the oldest one is pretty much 1 year old, right? 330,000 views, not crazy views, right? Especially comparing to my other channels where I have videos with 25 million views, but still YouTube is different, right? And monetization is very different. Based on your needs, you can understand how much money you expect to make from YouTube, from the AdSense program of YouTube. As you see, the making money online niche, as well as the digital marketing one, have the highest CPM, which means how much YouTube gonna pay you for every 1,000 views that your videos make. So the more generic your videos are, like gaming, comedy and humor, travel, the less money it pays for you per 1,000 views. And the other thing that plays a big role is the demographic that you bring in your videos. I'm fortunate enough to have a big audience on Instagram and TikTok from US, although I live in Greece, and that's why I have a high CPM, both from a geography point of view, but also from a niche point of view, because I combine the money making and digital marketing niche. So when I open the analytics of my video, go right here, you're gonna see that this video has made for me since the day that published $1,800, 2,000 subscribers, and 333,000 views so far. And as you see, they keep coming. That's the best part with YouTube, right? It's evergreen. The views and the money keep coming. If I go to this video that has less views, so 200,000 versus 300,000, right? You're gonna be surprised because if I click on the analytics, you're gonna see that this video has made $2.7K in less time than the previous one. This has to do with a niche. So digital products is something that many people from US are looking for. So it's a topic that pays very well based on the CPM of YouTube. So you need to find topics and videos that YouTube appreciates a lot monetization wise. And then we have this video, which is the free logo AI video that, as you see, has a very good performance. Every single day it keeps getting views for me. It made for me less money than the previous one that has less views than this one. Again, for the same reason. The previous one was about digital products. This is about an AI platform that generates logos for you. Now, apart from the money that YouTube has paid for these 3 videos, which has been summarized right here, there are other monies that I collect from these videos. So as you're gonna see, in every video that I release, I have my useful links where I promote my private community this one, right? Where I coach people how to make money in a private group every single month. And many people, after watching my videos, they naturally go to my links, check my platforms, and some of them decide to buy and subscribe. I have also a link from my video course, which is a 4-hour course teaching people how to dominate with short video. And this one has thousands of students. My consultation program, where I help people one-on-one to grow their business, to grow their content, or anything else they want to do. So naturally, again, many people come and book a call with me, plus some affiliate links that I put in my videos, like this one from Render Forest, for example, which is a platform for video making, or this affiliate link from Semras, which brings me, as you're gonna see from my impact account, a significant income every single month. And now the time of the truth. How much money did I make from these 3 videos, calculating everything together? By the way, one of the 3 videos was also sponsored. So this is an AI platform that generates presentations for people. So I created a video for them and they paid me $2.2K. So this is part of the total income from this video, which, as you're gonna see, is $8K. This is the amount of money that I made from AdSense, as we saw before. The affiliate fees from the description of this video. These are the subscriptions that came from this video, since I have tracking links. I understand how many people come from a specific video. These are the video and the income courses sales. So 8 from my video course, which is $150, plus 7 sales from $59. The consultation booking, so 4 people decided to book a call through this video, where I charged $290 per hour, and then the promotional fee, as we said before. So this video brought me $8K within a year. Not bad, right? Equally, you're gonna see how much money I made from this video, the AdSense attribution, the video and income courses, consultation bookings, 4.5K, and this one equally 8.4. Altogether, 20K from 3 videos. But what this doesn't estimate is how many more videos I have created without earning a dime. Paying my editors, paying my designers, putting my time and effort to do that, and how many hundreds of other videos I have put out before I have the chance to have these 3 videos that really performed well. So what should you do to monetize fast your YouTube channel? The number 1 factor is consistency, by far. YouTube is proven to reward the creators that are consistent in posting videos. I've seen that also in my analytics. Whenever I don't keep my promise, which is 1 video weekly, my views and my income goes like that. So decide what is the frequency for you, 1 video per week, 2 videos per week, 3 videos per month, whatever, and stick to that. Like your creator career depends on that, because it does. Number 2, model success. Use the skyscraper technique. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. I didn't even do that myself. I studied the best creators in my niche, I checked their most popular videos, and I decided to create something even better, like the skyscrapers. You have one with 100 floors, I will build one with 120. So do it better, do it more updated. Find something that worked 2-3 years before and recreate something fresh, even better, that has very high chances to perform as well. Number 3, as we said before, pick the niches with a high CPM. Go for the top 5, so you can really have a significant income from YouTube AdSense. If not, start creating content that the brands can see themselves into that. So for example, if you're in the food niche, start showcasing different restaurants, different food chains, so that people can see themselves in their content. Creating meaningful and valuable digital products is a must. Whenever you create something, people love going to the description, learning more about you as a creator, about what you offer. So if you have something valuable, YouTube converts better than anything else, because people invest time in your content. So naturally, they're gonna go and see what else you can offer to them. So if you have a digital product that is valuable, you have very, very high chances to convert people passively. Whenever you're sleeping, your courses will be sold. And finally, use YouTube, because it will tell you exactly how to win, how to monetize, and how to grow. If you go to your studio and then analytics, you're gonna see the inspiration tab right here, which gives you the exact topics that your audience is looking for. You see right here that the most popular topic right now for my audience is digital product niches 2024. So I will save that because I want to create a video about this specific topic. That's how this video made the most money from AdSense, because I followed YouTube recommendation. And you're gonna see here also short recommendations, but also anything else that you might look for. So for example, if I look for digital marketing, it will give me the topics that my audience loves to watch as we speak. So I would be an idiot not to follow this guideline. So let me know in the comments, was that surprising for you? Are you already creating content on YouTube? If not, why is that? I'm pretty sure you're gonna find this video also useful. Keep the hustle up, and until next time, simply hustle.